Hi everybody, and welcome back. This is the beginning of Unit 1. Dr. Klein here again. So I just wanted to give you a few words of wisdom, I guess if I can, as you begin Unit 1. So Unit 1 is going to be one of your longer units. It's going to be comprised of chapters 1 through 5 of the textbook, and after the 5th chapter and what is essentially the 5th week, you will have your very first exam. But as I said in the intro lecture, and as you have seen in your syllabus, each week you will have a variety of different assignments that sort of build up to exam 1. So all of the work that you'll be doing in the class will get you to that point. So the beginning chapters are sort of laying the foundation of what criminal law actually is. And it's talking about things like actus reus and mens rea, so the actual criminal act that you have to commit and the intent behind that criminal act. So some of these definitional items might not make sense at first, but as we keep seeing them again and again, and we keep applying them to the different crimes later on, you're going to see how this all is interwoven and intertwined, if you will. So the beginning chapters, what you're seeing is more of a general sense, how the courts work and how judges make decisions, and what are some of the constitutional limitations. So what can and cannot be done in order to both preserve the rights of the defendant and to keep the criminal courts moving in a more forward, progressive manner. So some of those things will be showing up in the first couple chapters. Then we'll be laying our elements to crime all out. We're going to see who can and cannot be charged with actual crimes. And then in chapter 5, what you're going to see are what we call inchoate crimes, or the beginning crimes. So things like attempts and conspiracy and solicitation, anything that is laying the groundwork for an actual crime like, let's say, bank robbery to occur. So in those first 5 chapters, you're going to be seeing the foundational things, and as I said, it's going to be ending in exam 1. Also in Unit 1, what you're going to be seeing are your very first Supreme Court cases that will be due to me. I have provided you that example lecture on how to create a Supreme Court case brief, and I've also provided you with example briefs so that you'll sort of see how a brief should be listed out and written, and that sort of thing. So if you have any questions for me, all of my contact information can be found in the syllabus and on the Blackboard site. Please feel free to come by my office hours. If you cannot come by physical office hours, feel free to call me or shoot me an email, and we can always set up a meeting if we need to. So good luck on Unit 1. I hope you enjoy the material and the assignments, and I look forward to providing you feedback on the material that you submit to me. So have a good one, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.